It's giving blowout, sis. It is. Y'all, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it's been a minute, but we're back with the jump off. Okay, and I wanted to come to y'all real quick and do something a little bit different on my channel. I'm gonna show you like an in-between hairstyle. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into the video. So we are going to just get right started. I just took my crochets out. I had them in for like a week, so I'm actually not gonna wash my hair. I'm just gonna go for it. It's just something quick and easy. So here we go. I'm not even gonna put on a wig cap. We just gonna go for it. So this is the hair. It is a half wig, and it has combs and a drawstring in the back. And it's long. I already know I'm gonna cut it, but like I just want y'all to see like the texture. It's really pretty curls, but I know I'm gonna cut it. I know I'm gonna comb through it. So let's just put it on first. Ooh, Lord. Girl, it like to came right on off. So it's definitely, what y'all say, big head friendly, because this thing is loose. Let me tighten it. You know, I just feel like if Upart wigs are coming back and y'all have rebranded, see what you did, hair companies, half wigs as headband wigs. Why not bring back the half wig? So this needs to be the comb in the front. I gotta use that. There's other combs. First impression, where am I going? I look like the lion in The Wiz, but we're gonna fix that, okay? So I'm probably gonna cut it to probably about right here and hope that the ends are still curled. The curls are pretty. It's synthetic though, so don't touch it too much, girl. But I like this big swoop here. So I'm probably gonna cut it to about right here. With this, because it's a half wig, you kind of would have to just do a flip over method. I'm gonna pull it. I gotta fix this because it's looking weird. It's not giving what I needed to give. And then we can go ahead and get rid of some of this. So I'm just gonna finger comb gently. Girl, I feel like I can tug this right off. I look like my mama. Lord have mercy. Alright, so we're gonna cut this to to about right there. I feel like that's where that big curl ends. Oh Lord, I think this side is shorter than this side. I can't tell. Okay. Okay. Oh, this side is definitely shorter. Let's just do this. It does not feel secure. I mean, really, with the half wig like this really it. Normally, I would do like some type of, like I would do like my baby hairs and all that, but my baby hairs are already done, so. It don't get no quicker than that. Something else too. I want to try and see if I can do like a half up, half down. We're gonna see if we can finesse this. So essentially all I would do is just pull it up, right? Now what did you say? Should be as simple as pulling it up. So you could definitely do that. Now I'm gonna have to adjust this because it's sliding back because I didn't tighten the drawstring. I just wanted to show y'all real quick what it would look like. So you could definitely do half up, half down. It's giving blowout. It blends very well with my hair. I know sometimes when people do half up, half down styles, they like gel down their hair and all that. But I feel like with the texture of this hair being like so natural, it looks better if my hair is just not gelled down, to me anyway. But what I'm really not liking is this. Like I need more of my hair out. But we're just gonna try to pull this up as close as possible, which I need to adjust this wig and tighten it up some more. I think I got it as tight as it'll go actually, y'all. So yeah, the wig is a little bit too big, so that's okay. We are going to secure sis down. I am going to bam, and it's lit. Quick, easy if you're going out and you want to like you just blowed your hair out, sis. It's giving me life. This is real cute. Oh, this is so cute. You can kind of see in the front a little bit. All right, we're just gonna mask that. Oh, I like it. Boom, there we go. So this is definitely another look that you could try. Half wig, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to show you. So this is what this looks like. It is the Sensational Instant Weave in the style IWD3, and I got it in a 1B. And so you see how it comes long, and I just chopped her. You know what I'm saying? This wig was at my local beauty supply store, and it was like $24. So now what you could do too is probably pull this to the front and cut it like this and make it like a full, oh, that would be cute. But that's not what I want to do. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Drop down in the comments. Let me know if you guys are feeling this whole re-emergence of the half wigs that everybody are calling headband wigs. And I am just amazed that like companies are selling headband wigs for like a lot of money. But you know, we're used to it being half wigs that are like this and that are like this and synthetic, but they got human hair half wigs, and apparently the tea is a little bit of a shortage on lace. So that's why companies smart. They real smart, and they important. And they said, we gonna sell them this hair, but we just ain't gonna give them no lace. So this is definitely a more inexpensive way to get the same look. I'm always here for a good synthetic wig. Now it's been a while since I've worn synthetic hair, not gonna lie. But I tried some faux locks, y'all, and now I'm just like wanting to try everything. And so I'm taking a break from like lace and all that for a while, to just give my hair a break. What I'm doing here is just brushing those curls out in the back because they're so tight. I want them to look more fluffy and lush and not so like uniform. I want it to look like my hair is just blown out. So trying to make sure I got them all. I think I did. That's pretty much it. So let me know what y'all think of this video. Let me know if you're gonna be trying this. But like I said, this is definitely a way to get you a headband wig. You could definitely slap a headband on with this. But you get the look for less. That's what we're doing. So let me know if you guys will be trying this style. If you like videos like this, if you want to see more of the stuff that I'm going to be trying, definitely let me know. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Wig wear. Bye, y'all. Nah, for real.